All right, before we get into the topic at hand, let me give you a little update on the hair situation. We're currently at 11 inches. I need 12 inches to be able to donate it. So that being said, it should be around 2 to 3 months before we get back to our regularly scheduled haircuts. Now, that being said, what haircut do you want to see first? Leave your answer in the comments section below and we'll see what we're working with. Okay, now for today's topic. What is the difference between beard balm and beard butter? Now they do have many of the same ingredients. However, the primary differences between the two deal directly with one or two of the ingredients. Taking a look at balms first. Balms, they're generally comprised of waxes, butters, essential and carrier oils, and it produces a relatively solid substance. With this substance, you can actually warm it up quite easily and it's relatively pliable. Now, there's a few benefits with this. It conditions, moisturizes, protects, but there's also one more thing that it does that butters don't do as well, and that's it has a shaping or a form factor, and that's from beeswax. Now this can be used in your beard to help with those flyaways. It can be used with your mustache to kind of keep it together, or maybe even put a little bit of a turn into your mustache along with your hair and controlling the flyaways. So one of the great benefits about using a balm, especially compared to an oil or butter, is the shaping and the form factor with the beeswax. Now taking a look at beard butter. As the name indicates, butter is going to consist primarily of butters, whether it be hemp, almond, shea butter, along with the other ingredients of the beard balm, those being essential oils and carrier oils. The one difference is going to be the butter does not consist of beeswax, which is that holding agent. So this is going to be more pliable. So there's pros and cons. It's not going to have the shaping factor of the balm, but it's going to be more pliable and it's going to be easier to rub into your beard and your skin. That being said, if you do have a longer beard, this could be a better option for you than the balm. Now, looking on the other side of things, if you have a shorter beard and or you have a mustache that you want to control or perhaps give a little shape to, that's where the balm may be a better option for you. Personally, between the balm and the butter, I use both. I love the pliability of the butter in the longer portion of my beard because it's a lot easier to rub into it, not only into the beard, but also the skin as well. And it does help with the strayaways. Now, when it comes to the mustache, I prefer to use the balm for that shaping and the hold factor. So with those options given in my personal take on it, I hope that helps differentiate the two, and I hope it helps you pick which one you prefer, whether it be the balm or the butter or both. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing if you aren't already. Until next time, peace! We out.